How to execute a command whenever a file changes. I want a quick and simple way to execute a command whenever a file changes. I want something very simple, something I will leave running on a terminal and close it whenever I'm finished working with that file. Currently, I'm using this. And then I need to go to that terminal and press enter whenever I save that file on my editor. What I want is something like this. Or any other solution as easy as that. BTW, I'm using Vim, and I know I can add an auto command to run something on Boofright, but this is not the kind of solution I want now. Update, I want something simple, discardable if possible. What's more, I want something to run in a terminal because I want to see the program output, I want to see error messages. About the answers, thanks for all your answers. All of them are very good, and each one takes a very different approach from the others. Since I need to accept only one, I'm accepting the one that I've actually used. It was simple, quick and easy to remember, even though I know it is not the most elegant.
Simple, using a Notify, install your distributions in Notify Tools package. Or the first snippet is simpler, but it has a significant downside. It will miss changes performed while a Notify isn't running, in particular while my file is running. The second snippet doesn't have this defect. However, beware that it assumes that the file name doesn't contain whitespace. If that's a problem, use the format option to change the output to not include the file name. Either way, there is a limitation. If some program replaces myfile.py with a different file, rather than writing to the existing myfile, a Notify will die. Many editors work that way. To overcome this limitation, use a Notify on the directory. Alternatively, use another tool that uses the same underlying functionality, such as Incron, lets you register events when a file is modified, or Fwatch, a tool that also works on many other Unix variants, using each variant's analog of Linux as a Notify.
Inter, this URL, provides a more friendly interface to a Notify, and also supports BSD and Mac OS X. It makes it very easy to specify multiple files to watch, limited only by ulimit n, takes the hassle out of dealing with files being replaced, and requires less bash syntax. I've been using it on my entire project source tree to run the unit tests for the code I'm currently modifying, and it's been a huge boost to my workflow already. Flags like C, clear the screen between runs, and D, exit when a new file is added to a monitored directory, add even more flexibility. For example, you can do As of early 2018, it's still in active development and it can be found in Debian and Ubuntu. Apt install Inter, building from the author's repo was pain-free in any case.
I wrote a Python program to do exactly this call when changed. Usage is simple. Or to watch multiple files. File can be a directory. Watch recursively with R. Use %f to pass the file name to the command.
How about this script? It uses the stack command to get the access time of a file and runs a command whenever there is a change in the access time, whenever file is accessed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.